I am Dr. N. Satyashila from Department of ECE, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. Course code is 24AC304. Course name is Electronic Devices for Industrial Applications. Unit 1, Fundamentals of Semiconductors and Diodes. The topic we are going to discuss today is PN junction diode. On completion, the students will able to know how the construction of PN junction diode is done, working of PN junction diode and application of the PN junction diode. PN junction diode. The PN junction diode is also known as rectifier diodes. Diodes can be made either of the two semiconductor materials, silicon and germanium. The arrow in the diode symbol represents the direction of conventional current flow when the diode conducts. Under forward bias condition, when a diode is connected in a circuit with its anode to the positive terminal and cathode to the negative terminal of the supply, then such a connection is said to be forward biased condition. This kind of connection makes the circuit more and more forward biased and help in more conduction. A diode conducts well in forward biased condition. This is the forward biasing condition. Reverse bias condition. When a diode is connected in a circuit with its anode to the negative terminal and cathode to the positive terminal of the supply, then such a connection is said to be reverse biased condition. This kind of connection makes the circuit more and more reverse biased and helps in minimizing and preventing the conduction. A diode cannot conduct in reverse bias condition. Here we have given the PN junction diode working under forward bias condition. When anode and cathode are connected to the positive and negative terminals respectively, the holes in p-type and electrons in n-type tends to move across the junction, breaking the barriers. There exists a free flow of current within this, almost eliminating the barrier. With the repulsive force provided by positive terminal to holes and by negative terminal to electrons, the recombination takes place in the junction. The supply voltage should be higher that it forces the movement of electrons and holes through the junction, which leads to the current flow. Forward current is the current produced by the diode when operated in forward biased condition, and it is indicated by IF. This is a circuit diagram of PN junction diode under forward biased condition. PN junction diode working under reverse biased condition. When anode and cathode are connected to the negative and positive terminals respectively, the electrons are attracted towards the positive terminal and holes are attracted towards the negative terminal. Hence, both will be away from the potential barrier, increasing the junction resistance and preventing any electrons to cross the junction. With the increasing reverse bias, the junction has few minority carrier to cross the junction. This current is normally negligible. This is the circuit diagram which represents the working of PN junction diode under reverse bias condition. Questions: what is PN junction diode? What is depletion region? Explain the construction and working of PN junction diode. Thank you.